What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Zombie Fisherman from Lowe's. Alright guys, so we are actually in the living room today like we used to do for unboxings. Just because this guy's box is abnormally big for how big he actually is. I hope you guys can see me right now. But it's a pretty big box. Like, I mean, I'm 6 feet tall, and yeah, it's up here. I am in my work attire because I just got home and I really wanted to set this guy up tonight. So yeah, I do have two other props coming from Lowe's. I have the Bluetooth Singer Reaper and the animated circus clown, the handstand clown guy. So yeah, but I'm gonna unbox this guy first because I am waiting to do the handstand clown with my girlfriend. So hopefully that'll be coming out soon. But yeah, it looks like a slide out. So you have his instructions right there. I haven't watched a setup video of this guy yet just because there aren't any on YouTube yet. Well, there's one, but I haven't watched it. Oh, he does come with batteries, which is always nice. All right, guys. Actually, the first thing I got out was the head and the shoulders and all that with the clothing. This guy is huge. Wow, and it's a very impressive head. All right, you guys. So here is one of his hands. It's actually one of the hooks. Well, this is the only hook, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty massive, honestly. This guy just seems very big in proportions, you know? All right, guys, so here's his regular hand. Once again, very big. That just seems like this prop. Almost like a 12-footer, but like not. So definitely going to look very interesting. I'm excited to see him definitely when he's all set up. Here are his pants. I like them. They're somewhat detailed, actually. They're not just a solid gray. Like, they do have a little bit of like imperfections in them, so that's pretty cool. Here's one of the leg pulls. Very like rough looking, but pretty cool. Here's another pole that is actually very long, but it doesn't have any foam on it. Here's the culprit of the huge box, the absolutely giant base. Here are two more leg pulls. Here is the torso frame, or the hip frame. We have another pole with the control box and the adapter in here. And then, of course, right over here we have the instructions, which we are going to be using today. All right, guys. Well, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now, let's get to the setup. All right, guys, I got them all wired up and all ready to go. I plugged them in. Let's do this.
Brains. I need brains to survive. Give me yours. I've joined the soulless dead that crawl out of the waters under the light of the moon. So join me as we make our way back into the depths of the darkness.
All right, guys, so that was the Zombie Fisherman from Lowe's. This guy is incredible. He's very scary, creepy as hell. If this guy is just on his own somewhere, he's going to be absolutely amazing. If you have like a pirate ship theme, which I know that's what Lowe's is kind of trying to do this year, this guy's going to fit in perfectly. I don't have any other like pirate kind of props, so I'm kind of at a loss of where I'm going to put this guy. He's a lot bigger than I thought he would be in person. Very huge animatronic. Just be ready for that. He's not some like little life-size guy. He's definitely a lot bigger than you expect him to be. So just make sure you know that going in. Like he's definitely not going to go where I was going to think he was going to go, but hopefully I'll be able to find a spot for him. Yeah, this guy's incredible. For $350 though, I'm not sure. If you really want him, by all means get him. It's not like he's completely overpriced for $350, but I think $300 would have been more the sweet spot for this guy, but still $350 is not horrible. Anyways, I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase this guy, and I will also leave a link to the merch. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.